The yellow, what was the most hardest part of the day?
Yeah, for sure now coming here to the finish, huh? But also the nicest one because then it's finished. But yeah, it was racing on the last climb, so yeah, it was a good race, huh?
Seemed to be one of the hardest boys out there in the climb.
Yeah, he's. We'll see. For me, is I already get a really nice result yesterday, and yeah, I'm here with a young team, so we just have to see day by day how it goes, and yeah, we see it.
After the climb, you opened a little bit of gap between the other favorites, but you didn't go that long. Why?
Sorry.
After the climb, you did open a little small gap with the other favorites, but you didn't go all along. Why?
Yeah, they catch us. He's like that. So yeah, the race started. So yeah, it was good.
Okay,
Thanks.